Hello. First, I want to introducing myself. My name is Aditya Ananta Mahdi. I'm from Nautica Level 1. And here is my friend to help me make this homework. Hi, Rose. Where is Maggie?
Oh, she could make it. She with Alex.
Why don't you go and talk with Julia?
Julia, which one is she? Is the woman wearing glass over the hair?
No, she's the tall one in jeans.
Oh, I'd like to meet her. Hi, Rol. Good to see you. Here is Meg.
Oh, she called make it. She went with Alex.
Why don't you go and talk with Julia?
Julia? Which one is she? Is she the woman wearing glasses over there?
No, she is tall on in jeans.
Oh, I'd like to meet her.